Oh, hey, everybody. Welcome to Dumb Investing, the dumbest investing channel on all YouTubes. It is about to get dumb up in here. That's how we. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, we roll random dice, we pick random stocks, we review a portfolio that we built by rolling random dice. That's how we do it. We used to kick butt, we eat in the market. Last couple of weeks, not so much. Let's get right on into this. We don't need a bunch of hubbub. So the came in today and they really kind of ruined the market, huh? What a day. All right, oops. First we go out here. We roll a random dice. All right, we kick that sucker. 3. Come over here to random stock picker. 1, 2, 3. First stock we look at tonight. FTXL. FTXL. All right, second stock of the night. Roll that sucker again. We get 2. We come over here, random stock. 1, 2. CHKP. CHKP. I don't have a good feeling about that one. All right, last roll of the night, a 3. Click 1, 2, 3. RVNU. RVNU. All right, down below in the description, not only is there a link to our spreadsheet where you can see every trade we've ever done, there's also a link to Webull. You click that link, put $100 in there, you're going to get 2 free stocks. You can be an investor just like us. If Harry were here, he would be using Webull to do his research. I am going to be using Yahoo. And we're going to go learn a little bit about these 3 tickers. All right, this first one is the X-Trackers Municipal Infrastructure Revenue Bond ETF. Boy, that's an awful long way to say boring. And it is actually moving up. I cannot believe that. Usually when we see these infrastructure municipal bonds, they're usually flat as a pancake because they don't pay any money. This one, when the rest of the market has been doing a yield of 20% for the year, right? This one is at 2.5. So yeah, pretty boring. No financials, but you can see they hold all time for long term. Yeah, that's boring. If you want something fairly safe, even though this one had the COVID dip like everybody else had, this might be. And who knows? We may end up with 2 real crappers. We may end up throwing some money into this thing. At least it'll probably be safe. CHKP. It's got to be better than some of the bottom suckers that we have. Checkpoint Software Technologies Limited. All right, what have you? $15 billion market cap. That's a fairly large company, at least by market cap. Wow, so this stock has been all over the place. Look at these dips. This is a day trader's dream. Man, look all over. So are we buying a dip right now, or are these guys going out of business? Let's go see what some financials are saying. All right. Rough. Wow. You've got $2 billion in revenue. Earnings, well, that's not bad, I guess. Earnings of $850 million out of $2 billion. That's not bad. That chart doesn't look that good, but that's not bad. Let's see how they're doing on their quarters. They had a really good quarter for some reason in Q4 of 2020. And then we're at 200 million out of, that's not bad at all. Yeah, these guys are actually making some money. I wonder what they do. Although somebody doesn't like them. Somebody thinks they ought to be sold, but man, the vast majority of people, of 36 people, 35 of them are saying hold it, buy it, and strong buy. There's one guy down here saying get rid of it. That's pretty funny. Let's see. That was downgraded in. So Goldman thinks it should have been sold back in September. I wonder what these guys do. Let's see if they tell us. All right, Checkpoint Software Technologies develops, market supports a range of products and services for IT security. I would assume IT security in the future is going to be much more important. So I would assume if these guys are on the front point of it, they're probably doing fine. If these guys are trying to play catch up, I would assume when you're at $1 billion a year, is that what they were? Or 2 billion? Yeah, 2 billion a year. This is probably a fairly good bet. I would assume this is going to be more important, especially as everybody goes meta and we all start buying fake Nikes and crap like that. All right, last one of the night. Let's see. FTXL. First Trust. Oh, semiconductor. So semiconductors recently have gone absolutely bonkers. Why? Because everybody wants them. Nobody has them. Now, are we at peak semiconductor as of January 1st? Quite possibly. Although, you know, when you talk to the car people and stuff like that, they're saying that it's probably going to be the next 6 to 8 months of this kind of stuff. So the ETF is probably playing a lot of guys like Texas Instruments, Micron. Yeah. So all of these guys probably over the next year or so are probably going to do fairly good. How much are they charging us for this? 0.6. That's not horrible. See, look at these guys. Return 30% in the last year. Let's do this one. I think this one will be kind of fun. Hopefully we're not buying at the peak. Today would be a good day. Maybe it'll bounce back up, right? We make a couple of bucks. So we're going to buy the FTXL. I think Harry would also like that. He's semiconductor, you know, he'd be all crazy. All right, let's go out here and check out the portfolio, see how the portfolio is doing. Scroll. Oh, that is scrolled. Really? 1, 2, 3, 5. 5 greens is all we have. That's horrible. And look who it is. Butterfly Network, who has been at the second place for, yeah, you suck. They were one of the only greens today. Holy cow. I don't remember what this company is because they've been dead to the world. I don't know what this one is either. They're in Delta. Wow, what a day. So the Feds came in today and they said, yeah, we're going to cut faster. We're going to sell. I mean, it's just the Feds completely shocked the market today and just shut her down. So look at all the reds. Everything is red. It's all red, 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 red. Huge reds. Who's Evonik? I don't know what they are, but look, down 12% today. The Russell down 10. I don't know how far the Russell dropped, but I would assume it was a pretty ugly drop, probably 1%. If this is how that thing. Ideomics, they've been down there towards our bottom. Etsy, another horrible one. I don't know why Etsy is down so far. Man, I wonder if they had any news. Etsy, 3 hours ago, Amazon was performing FANG. What? Okay, so Del Taco launched a new 20 items under $2. That's why they're doing good today, because they think money's getting tight, I guess. So yeah, so what a crap day. Oof, I don't even want to go look at it. We should just skip this part, right? Oh, that's a big old red bar. $32. We just wiped out 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 days worth of positives right there. Wiped out in one fell swoop. And look at that. World Bank takes over at the number 1 spot. Remember yesterday, these guys were like at 21% or whatever? Yeah, wow. Maybe we should bring down our level and start selling at 21%. Yeah, Falcon Minerals, number 2 on assignment. D now dropped a couple of spots. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We still have 10, up 10% or more. Not too shabby. I'm assuming our bottoms got real ugly. Yeah, Ideomics took over the number. Look at that. Took over the bottom from Green Lane. That's great. Both of you guys down there at minus 47, minus 45. Good on you. BurgerFi making us so proud at minus 43. Golly, this is horrid. VTV down 32. The Fallen Knives, that's from our old show. That's when we first started. And it's never gotten anywhere close to where we were going to sell it. So, yeah. Well, that's what happens. Some days the Feds release minutes that are just crap. And hopefully the market takes a day or two to digest it. And we'll come back and maybe hopefully have some positive days. Thanks for joining us, everybody. Appreciate every one of you. Don't be afraid to talk to y'all. So have a great night. Thanks for joining. Catch you later.